Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Inder from Hair Transplant Center, Malaysia. I hope everyone is doing well today. So today I'm going to show one of my patients before and after FUE results. This patient that I'm going to show you, Chinese man who has a family history of hair loss, and we look at his male pattern baldness. I will classify him as Norwood 6 male pattern baldness. We have stage 1 to stage 7 and he happens to be stage 6 from here to here. So stage 6 male pattern baldness, Norwood classification. So what we did for him, we did FUE follicle unit extraction, and since he's 32 years old, I advise him to do it from the hairline till the mid scalp. So if you look at here, so that is my hairline created for him, and that is the grafts that I planted. So you can see that I have actually did the FUE procedure, planted the grafts from the hairline till the mid scalp. So that is all the grafts, and then look at it. After 1 month he came back. Of course all the planted hair has fallen off, and then his shaven area, the hair has grown back. As time goes by, he took the medication as he was advised to take by us, and this is a picture after 8 months. So at 8 months all the transplanted hair grew together with his own hair because on his medications. And now look at the results of 18 months of FUE done at our clinic. So beautiful. He's got a beautiful natural hairline. The hair, he's got naturally wavy hair, so that created even more good density on his hair. So that's it. 2,800 grafts done, and this is 18 months after FUE procedure. So this is a picture of before and after FUE done at our Hair Transplant Center, Malaysia. So if you are suffering from this kind of baldness, do drop by to consult us and let us advise you how to go about it with your male pattern baldness. You don't have to live with baldness anymore because the technology is so advanced that we can offer you many types of treatment available in our clinic. Like you can do a PRP, you can do some different methods of hair growth treatment, and even a FUE hair transplant if you need it. So thanks, bye, see you at my clinic. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Inder from Hair Transplant Center, Malaysia at Clinic Dr. Inder. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook and Instagram. In our YouTube channel, we have a lot of before-after photographs of our patients and also a lot of information on how the procedure of FUE is done. So don't forget, follow us.